In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to utilize a third-party lead capture tool on a Wix website. This process involves creating a form or widget with an external service like Elfsight, customizing it, obtaining the provided code, and finally, integrating it into your Wix website. The first thing you need to do is to access a service such as Elfsight. Once you are on the Elfsight platform, or whichever third-party service you have chosen to use, you will create your own form or widget. This allows you to customize a unique lead capture tool exactly to your liking and the needs of your target audience. Next up, make use of the tools that the service has in place to fine-tune the design, fields, and overall settings of your form or widget. Take a little extra time in this step, because the form's appearance can have a significant impact on the number of leads you capture, and the settings can optimize how the information is collected and stored. Make it interactive, engaging, and aligned with the theme of your site to improve user experience and enhance their interaction. Once you've put the finishing touches to customizing the widget, you will then be required to get a code snippet from the third-party service. This code snippet serves as a unique identifier for the specific form or widget you've designed and is what you'll use to integrate it into your Wix website. So make sure to copy it exact and complete. Next, we move on to the implementation part of this process. First, navigate to your Wix site dashboard. In the dashboard, you will find a section labeled as Settings. Within Settings, under the Advanced subcategory, you will locate Custom Code. Click on this. Upon selecting Custom Code, you will hit the plus Add Custom Code button. A text box will appear. This is where you paste the code snippet that you obtained from your third-party service. Having done that, provide it with a name to help you remember its function, and then select where you would like to apply it. For instance, you could want it to appear on a specific product page, customer contact page, or maybe in a blog post. Once all these details have been filled in, you now come to the most fulfilling part, which is clicking on the Apply button. This integrates the widget into your selected location within the website. However, this is not yet visible to visitors until you publish your Wix site. Once published, your new lead capture becomes visible, and you can start seeing it work in real time. So whether you're looking to gain more email subscribers, provide coupon alerts, or collect information for market research or customer relations, adding a third-party lead capture widget to your Wix website is a great way to achieve these objectives. Congratulations on scaling up your data capture game.